Have you ever found yourself trying to split a string in JavaScript, only to hit a wall with negative look behind? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into Regex splitting with negative look behind and how to tackle this issue. I totally get it. You want to split a string on commas, but not when those commas are escaped with a backslash. It's a common challenge for many developers, and you're definitely not alone in this struggle. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. One user recently asked, how can I split this string? String 1, string 2, string /3, string 4, without splitting on the escaped comma. They tried using a negative look behind in their code, but found that it wasn't working. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what's the issue here? JavaScript's Regex engine does not support negative look behind in all environments, which can lead to confusion and frustration. But don't worry, we have some workarounds to help you achieve your goal. And stick around. I have a great workaround for you at the end that will make splitting strings a breeze. To begin solving the user's problem, we need to understand how to split the string correctly while ignoring escaped commas. The first step is to use the replace method to handle the escaped commas. Next, the user should split the modified string on the commas. This will allow us to separate the strings correctly without losing the escaped commas. After splitting, the user will need to replace the placeholder we used for the escaped commas back to their original form. This ensures that the output is as expected. Finally, the user can log the results to see the correctly split strings. This will confirm that the solution works as intended. Here's how you can do it in code. First, replace the escaped commas with a placeholder, then split the string on commas, and finally, replace the placeholder back. This way, you can achieve the desired result without using negative look behind. Fun fact, regular expressions can be a bit like magic spells. They can do amazing things, but if you don't get the incantation right, you might just end up with a mess. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests using a regular expression to match the desired parts of the string. They recommend using the match method with a regex that captures sequences of characters that are not commas or backslashes, or characters that are escaped with a backslash. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your regex patterns in a safe environment before implementing them in your code. This can save you a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. You now have a solid workaround for splitting strings in JavaScript without getting tripped up by escaped commas. If you found this helpful, hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to share your own Regex challenges in the comments.